Sissy. Sissy wants to join us again. Hey guys, it's Mercedes, also known as That Mom here on the internet, and today we are back with another eco review. I feel like I just did one of these, but I did, and if you guys didn't see it, check out my plain review somewhere above here. It'll be in a card. But anyway, today's eco review is about a laundry product. So this is the TruEarth laundry detergent strips, and I am not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by this company. I actually bought this on Amazon because I was already making an order, and they have a storefront on Amazon. They have a verified storefront on Amazon, so you can also sign up on Amazon to go ahead and do like a subscription type delivery, but their website also gives you the exact same option. Their website also has a subscription type service that I think you can get it every month, every 3 months, every 6 months, and they have different quantities and everything on their website. But I just went ahead and ordered it on Amazon, like I said, because I already had an order going in. That order was the one, of course, with the compost and everything. So if you guys didn't see that video, I will also link it somewhere above here. So yeah, so I felt like there was no risk of ordering from Amazon in that moment for the TruEarth products. So this comes with 32 strips, or 32 load strips, and it says on it, it is fragrance free. Also it says saving the planet one load at a time. And of course, this is not a bottle of detergent, it is the strips of detergent. So I will grab one out. There's a picture on the box, on the bag here. So this, I have 2 of these sheets left. So this is 4 loads of laundry right here, because they break apart and they become, this is 1 load of laundry. Now I have figured out that if you are washing scrubs or play clothes or thickness, you definitely need 2 strips for 1 load. We figured out, because we had foodborne illness really recently, and so I was washing clothes like nonstop and everything, so 2 strips to 1 load definitely helped after all your pre-treating and everything. The reviews are mixed on Amazon. So real quick, I want to go ahead and insert a little video that I did take at the washing machine, showing you how I did my first load of the TruEarth, not TrueLoad, sorry. Okay, so I should have filmed like a big reveal after that load was done and everything, but I forgot to. So that load was the first load of laundry that we ended up doing with the TruEarth back there, and it was a mixed load. I want to say that it did have scrubs, but I only had like 2 sets of scrubs in it, and the rest was like underclothes and stuff like that. So I used only 1 strip. Pretty sure I used only 1 strip that day. I didn't have to do a double wash or anything. That's the thing with a lot of the laundry detergents and stuff. I found that sometimes I have to do a double wash, especially sometimes of the eco-friendly laundry detergents. Just in the past, I haven't been wowed. So far with this, I know that if there's extra, like extra gunk, I want to go ahead and put a whole sheet in, not a strip. So I'll refer to that as sheets and strips, because it just says on the front 1 strip equals 1 load, but they don't specify on the front, but there is the picture on the back of the strip and everything, so that it takes a little bit of the confusion away. Down here on the bottom it says a tiny eco strip of detergent with a big cleaning power. 1 strip is 1 load, and it's HE compatible and all that kind of stuff. Was that hot or cold water safe, dissolves completely. Then it has the instructions. We have, as you guys saw in that clip, our soap dispenser comes out. It's inside the washer and it comes out. So I don't fold these to put them in the dispenser. They said you can tear the strips into smaller pieces if necessary, so you probably could. Right here it says top load washer, place strip inside washer, front load washer, place strip in detergent dispenser, and you can tear the pieces into smaller pieces if necessary. I haven't put these into our soap dispenser just because I feel it's not my washing machine, first of all. It's my mother-in-law's, and so I don't want to do anything wrong, and I've read that a lot of the new washing machines can be temperamental, so I'm not even testing it. It is an eco, it's a more eco washing machine. It's one of the Samsung smart washers and everything, so it has the more eco-friendly water saving mode and all that kind of stuff, and it actually had a big old sticker on it when we bought it that said eco-friendly, and it could save you this many gallons of water a year and everything. So that's that washer. Yeah, so the strips we're using in the washer right now, and they foam up really nicely. When I go and take a look at my clothes and everything, when I take a look at that agitation period of the laundry, it looks just like a regular washing machine in that agitation period would. You see the bubbles, you see, the not heavy bubbles and everything, because a lot of us in the eco community, I think the first thing we realized when switching to a lot of the more eco products is a lot of the stuff doesn't bubble in the eco community. It doesn't really lather and doesn't bubble, and if it does, it only stays into a lather or a bubble for a little while, because you really don't need the bubbling effect to clean. That's been something that I guess has been just engraved in us, and the more and more research I do, I figure out that a lot of stuff doesn't bubble and it still cleans. So there are things you can add to make stuff bubble, but yeah, I'm not adding anything to this, of course. So the packaging it's not plastic, so it's plastic free. It does have this like gloss on it, but according to their website, that this packaging is still compostable. So I'm, of course, almost out of it right now, so I will probably end up throwing this into one of my composts. I don't know if I'm going to toss it into the tumbler or if I'm going to toss it into my secondary compost, because I switched all but half of one compost pile into my new tumbler. Like I said, I'll link that somewhere above, but I do have about a half a tub of compost that I couldn't fit in the tumbler, so I may put this in that one, since I still do maintain and take care of that compost pile, and see what happens and report back to you guys, of course. So far I would say that I give these probably an 8 out of 10 right now, because there are times, like I said, I have to use a whole strip. When explaining this to my daughter, this was fun, guys. Okay, so you would think with kids, they kind of like, okay. I explained it to my daughter, and she was very excited to try this at first, and now she's like, it's just kind of second nature now that we've been using them, and so it's been a really fun process for the kids. Taking the strip and throwing it in is kind of fun also for the baby. If she's back there, she'll be like, ah, and so I'll ask her if she wants to throw in the strip. So it's and it makes no mess. It leaves no mess on your hands too. There's no like filmy residue after you've touched it. Like right now, I touched it, yeah, and I don't feel any like residual residue from it. You can feel the strip that it is what they say it is. It does feel like dry soap. You know, that dry soap feeling that when you're like cleaning the bathroom or something and you encounter a spot of dry soap, it feels like dry soap, but it doesn't leave any like residue on the hands and everything. I'm of course gonna rinse my hands off after touching these, but you don't feel it. So this would be great for camping. I think that their website even says that they're great for camping, and I'm pretty sure you can use these. They said on their website that it's biodegradable, so gray water safe, maybe gray water safe. I would do a little bit extra research. If you have a gray water system, it does have this eco logo, which I'm not very sure which company this eco logo is. Oh, look, right there, it says biodegradable. But editing Mercedes, if you find what this eco logo is, please put it here so we can know what this one stands for. This one on their website, it also says that it's vegan, and yeah, so really cool. There's a lot of different laundry detergent strips out there. The Net Zero company makes one, and there's a different one that I was actually supposed to get. I got the TruEarth because it's the one I thought it was, but oh, Earth Breeze. I got Earth mixed up between the two companies. So Earth Breeze also makes a strip. Like I said, I was supposed to order the Earth Breeze ones, and I accidentally ordered these ones, and I didn't find that out until they got here, and I was so excited, and I showed my mother-in-law was the one who found the laundry detergent strips. Actually, full disclosure, guys, and she was talking to me about the Earth Breeze ones, and I showed her these ones. I was like, I got them, and she's like, those aren't the ones I was looking at, but I'm pretty sure she's tried them too, and she likes them so far. I've done the baby stuff with them. My daughter has done her clothes with them. We've done towels. We've done blankets and comforters. I definitely would do 2 to 3 strips depending on the size of the comforter. So if it's a really fluffy comforter, maybe 3 strips. Like, it's just like if you would add extra soap to a load of laundry because you know there's some extra gunk in there. So it's just kind of easier with the strips to kind of gauge how much extra strip you want to put in there. If you want to put a whole extra strip in there, if you want to put a half an extra strip in there. They cut really well. Gotta say, they rip well and they cut well. I have tried to rip them up once or twice because I had like a small load with like 1 or 2 things in it, but it were things that really needed to be done, and they really needed to be done by themselves. So yeah, like I've thrown in a half a strip during like pre-wash and everything. Here's the other cat, of course, and I'm trying to censor the other cat here. But yeah. So yeah, so I really like them. I'm definitely going to be, can you please move your butt so I can move my hand? Thank you. I'm definitely going to be ordering another package of them. I almost put in an order just for the package a week or 2 ago, but I didn't end up doing it. They also come in like a 60 set, and they come in different fragrances and everything, and there's also a baby safe formula. But this fragrance free one and everything, like I've said in other videos, I have psoriasis, my girls have eczema, and sometimes things can irritate our skin. We've not noticed any irritation from these at all, so that is very good, right? It's good in my book. It's always bad when you find something and you're like, I'm gonna like this, and your skin irritation is the thing that tells you that you can't use it no matter how much you actually like the product or not. So I'm very happy when I find products that don't make our skin irritated or anything. And then also, I like that there's no plastic. Like I said earlier, I'm going to probably try it in the compost, but I just like that there's no plastic, because you guys know that plastic stays in our landfills forever, and there's actually a process to recycling plastic, and you could use TerraCycle and everything, where they would take the plastic and redo it, but you have to pay to take that stuff away. So this is just much more friendlier, and I'm pretty sure it also said somewhere that I can't find right now that this was recycled paper. So it's probably on their website that it said that the package is recycled paper. So I like it. I'm definitely going to keep doing it. Like I said, I am interested in trying other laundry strips. If you guys have one that you guys want to see a review on, please let me know in the comments, and I will try to get that product and try it and do a review on it. So, and like I've said before in other eco videos, if there is an eco product that you guys would like me to try or would like to know if it's worth the hype or anything, let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna probably make a list of things to try and review for you guys. So leave them below in the comments. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really like that. Also a subscribe if you are not already subscribed to my wacky hippie life, mama life, hippie life, eco life. It's a great life, guys. If you guys want to see more of it, please go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.